Oh, there's a hummingbird right there. Slow down, little hummingbird. Oh well. Out here at Fountain Hills today, taking a little stroll in the park. Just missed the fountain. It goes off every hour. And I'm going to be out here for at least an hour, so I'll see it on the next go around. Got a little nice Veterans Memorial right here. A lot of new stuff since I've been out here. I used to come out here back in the 70s, and there weren't any houses nearby here, nor than apartments or condos. There's a lot of grass here. Grass went up all the way up the hill over here. You can sit on the hill and everything. Just a beautiful area out here to hang out. Watch the fountains go off. You can see Four Peaks over there in the distance. It's the White Mountains Apache Reservation. You come out here in the hot air balloon, take off from here. Sometimes they land out here and just watch the hot air balloons take off. Relax, have a nice cold adult beverage. Try not to get too drunk before we went back in town. They got a fair going on today. We're going to try and make our way up that way. I'll be back. Wow, check this out. Play the little instruments. How about this one? Pretty awesome. Alright, that's enough of that shit. Maybe not. Got some more over here. That's enough. Yes, that looks like that little boy in that mongrel took off after the poodle. I'll tell you that story in a little bit. There you go. Get a little bit better look at what I was talking about with the way we used to sit on the hills out here. A little hilly on this side, but it used to go all the way around up on the top of those peaks over there. And they had to change the landscaping and put in these apartments. There's the fair going on. Got some nice southwestern art here. Nice little food place. There's a food spot over here. You want to get some food first?
But anyway, that whole
Hello, gents. Can you tell me where the food is? No? Cat's got your tongue today, eh? Alright then. Hey partner, you look familiar. Is that you, Teddy? Wow. Looking good, man. Alright, got the jams going. Alright, I think I found the food we're looking for. I see hot dog buns. Maybe some hamburgers, hot dogs, chicken. I'd rather buy off of the vendors than in that restaurant we seen back there. Ah, shoot. We get our 50-50 tickets. It's the last draw. Didn't even get any tickets yet. Ah. Alright. Got the chicken here. This is the food aisle here. Alright. Gonna get some food. We'll be back. There goes baby and baby. Smile, boy, you're on camera.
Move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago, I've changed for the better this time. I thought
Okay, we found a nice little spot to set down here. Nice dry spot in the grass. Got about 5 minutes left before the water show starts. Nice view of the mountains in the background, 4 peaks. Got a little something in our bellies. Feel better now. Alright, I'm gonna pause till the water fountain goes off. Be right back. Alright, here we go. The famous Fountain Hills Fountain. Come on, you can do better. Oh, I knew it. You can do better. I'm so glad they wanted to walk right there and stand. Never better. Gotta get my picture. Let's get a picture. I'll take your picture. Back up about 2 feet. Now a little farther. Back up. Almost back up a little more. Splash. Come on, I'm a nice guy. That's all the higher it gets. Guess everything seems bigger when you're younger. There's that little boy again. I'll tell you that story sometime. go. How about that? Come on down the park and plug your car in. Well, I can't find that lady again, but anyways, whenever we first got here, that story with that boy and his dog is, we'd just gotten here to Fountain Hills, waiting for the fountain to go off. No longer than we got out of our car, here comes this lady walking by. Real nice dog, little show dog, one of them toy poodles, tall poodle, all groomed real well. Next thing you know, here comes this mongrel, jumps up on this poodle and just starts going at it. This lady's freaking out. She's screaming, oh my God, someone help me. This is a show dog, please help me. Next thing you know, here comes this young boy. I think he's probably maybe 10 or 12 years old, and he runs up to that mongrel. He picks up his back tail. He just goes and sticks his finger in that rear end of that mongrel. That mongrel just yelps, takes off running, screaming. That lady's so happy. She said, oh my God, son, thank you so much for helping me out. That mongrel jumped on my show dog. She said, I'm so grateful, but how did you know what to do? That little boy said, well, you see, lady, that's my dog. He knows how to dish it out, but he just can't take it. You know, and that's the moral of this story is we go around this world and we dish it out and we dish it out, but we don't like it when it's our turn to take it. You know, whenever I quit drinking, all them problems started piling up on me, and I'd go in and sit next to my sponsor in the meeting, and he'd say, well, what's wrong, Kenny? And I'd start to tell him my sad story about how I'm being mistreated. He just did this hand motion like he was picking up a dog's tail and running his finger in its rear end. He says, well, Kenny, I guess it's your turn to take it. You know, and that's the way it is sometimes, guys. We know how to dish it out, but we just can't take it. So that's the story of the little boy and his mongrel dog. Have a great day. Hey guys, I'm stuck out here in Fountain Hills. Can you give me a ride over into Tempe? Sure. Please? Yeah. Does your dog bite? Yes. Ah, dang it. Don't touch me. I'm riding in the back seat.